So good afternoon to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Indiabulls housing finance share. So this was also recommended in the comment section, so I've decided to make a video on it. So watch the video till the end to not miss any update on this share. And in the previous video also I have made video on Brightcom group as well as other shares, so please do watch it. So I've given the levels there and it has excellently obeyed that, and you can see that Brightcom group has given UC today. So that is the power of the levels. So people who have not yet subscribed to the channel, so subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. So always whenever you're investing in penny stock, always invest in small quantity and always don't have more greed. Okay, that will put you anytime in danger. So avoid that sort of thinking and have a happy investing. So let's get started with this. So firstly, let me discuss about the old news which was around July 3rd. Okay, we know that Indiabulls Housing Finance gets rupees 2000 crore from 7 PSBs, Banks of Baroda as well as SBI were the top lenders for this particular company. You can see funds have been raised by the way of NCDs in the last 2 months, and you can see Bank of Baroda subscribed maximum of rupees 730 crore, followed by India Bank 325 crore as well as SBI with 250 crore. So Indiabulls Housing Finance, okay, balance sheet of rupees 1 lakh crore was obtained, and last 2 years have been very challenging for 30 lakh crore NBFC sector. So this was the news which was given around July 3rd, and most of the people know it. I'm showing it just for people who are new to this particular news. And if you see the overview of the company, you can see that the market cap is around 10,030 crores, and you can say the dividend yield is excellent, and we can see around 17.05. And if you see the industry PE is around 13.82, and we compare it with the current PE is around 3.27. So you're getting it at a very less value, and it has given huge returns in a very short span of time. Okay, people who have invested below 100 rupees, they might have earned good amount of profit within a short span of time. Okay, so people who are regularly following me, I know you know that I make videos regularly on all the finance sectors. You know, Bajaj Finance, I also made a video on it. I have recommended to buy it around 1700 rupees, and now it's currently at 3000 rupees. So to not, that's why I tell, if you not to miss any notification, you need to subscribe to the channel. Similarly, if you see the deliveries of this is around 8.23. Okay, so deliveries are very less, nothing to worry, because Indiabulls Housing Finance and Bajaj Finance, all finance sectors, almost the deliveries will be always less, because most of the time we know that in Bajaj Finance though regularly trading happens. Okay, so that's why the amount of deliverable quantity is very less, so nothing to worry on that part. Next, if we see the overview, sorry, we see the shareholding of the company, we can see that the promoters are having 21.64% and pledging is 0. Okay, one important thing is that pledging was there, but it has reduced and become 0, so that is the good thing. So having 0 pledging is not that great thing, but reducing the pledging and getting it to 0 is also a great thing. And if we can see FIs are having a very major chunk in this company, we can say that around 52%. Okay, half of the company shareholding is with the FIS only. Okay, you need to keep that in mind. And if you see the current market price of the stock is around 234.45, and it has gained 1.47%. Okay, around 12:30 the screenshot was taken. So we'll also try to find out the technicals where new people want to enter or existing people can watch out the levels. So if you see the strengths of this company, you can see that promoters are increasing their shareholding, and we can see that profits have increased, and we can see that company with 0 promoter pledge, and we can see the stock almost gained 20% in 1 month. Okay, and it's showing very strong momentum. So if you want to look into it, so pause the video and have a look into it. So next, if we see that declining in net revenue as well as quarterly net profit and increasing debt. So this was the main reason why I took this, because it has a high debt. Okay, that is only the one negative thing about this company. So high debt, and also recent results falling quarterly revenue and net profit was increased in quarter, but it has declined if we compare with year on year. So that was the main disadvantage for it. So what are the opportunities that you are getting here? So you can see that high recovery from 52-week low. So we can say that decrease in provisions in recent results. Okay, stock with low PE and RSI is indicating strength. So want to show another news which has come about the stock, let me show you that. So we know that HFC has sold around 4,000 crores loan portfolio to Oaktree. It was sold, and the deal structure is such that Oaktree will subscribe to the NCDs issued by the builders, and the money so generated will be used to prepay loans granted by Indiabulls. So the company reported 86% plunge in consolidated net profit of 137 crore for March quarter due to higher provisioning. So in the opportunities also see, because of the higher provisioning is a good opportunity for this company, so it has reported a profit. So this is the recent news on this company. So pause the video and have a look once again so that you'll have a clarity on it. And if we see, the stock has almost gained 1%, I've shown you. So now we'll discuss the technicals. The major part is the technicals of this company. Okay, now we are into the 1 week chart. So from the 1 week chart, you can clearly see that it has taken support near 201.48 and it's facing a resistance near 252.11. So you can see clearly that near 201 it's showing a beautiful price rejection. So always whenever you enter in any stock, always follow the price action. Okay, don't follow any MACD or anything. I have used MACD only for double confirmation. Okay, rather than price action gives exact levels where we need to enter, but MACD is again a double confirmation. So you can see that it is exactly rejecting that price 201 and it started its journey. So you can start investing in middle also, and you can also invest once it gives a breakout of a 252. It's up to you. If you're a risky investor, you can enter in between, and if you want a safe investment, you can start investing when it's once it breakouts a 252 level. So this is on 1 week chart. Even money flow index is also good indicator to show the volume. So you can see that money flow index is also showing that stock has more momentum in the coming days. So focus on these levels. So 201 is the support, so where it has price rejection and it started moving. So the momentum is very high for this stock right now, so you need to focus between these levels. Next, if we see the 1 day chart, you'll understand. So if you see the 1 day chart also, you can see that it has formed beautiful, you can say the hammer is being formed today, and if it breaks the 252 level, then you can have a huge momentum in this stock. Okay, if you're a risky investor, then try to invest in between with small quantity, and if 252 breaks, then you can go with decent amount. Okay, so in money flow index is also flat and is saying that more momentum is possible in the future. So I've made all the videos which are recommended in the comment section. So if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates, and also I will do the videos which are recommended in the comment section. So ask your doubts in the comment section. So the next video will discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.